And talking about love, what is the greatest ritual of all but love? And so it's so important for each and every one of us to always surround ourselves with people who really love us, who we really super love, because, that love will just energetically blossom out, and affect everyone, just everyone who comes into contact with you. So make sure that, whatever it is that you're doing in your life, make sure that it's infused with that deep love so that all of your greatness can come out. And that's what the power of love does. It creates excellence on every level. The world is as you are. So take a look at, as you have been, to your inner and your outer aspect of life, and infuse it in every single way with that loving presence which you are. Enjoy having your love ins. Okay, bye everybody.